how to do Hat Trick TEMU Method. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to do Hat Trick TEMU Method. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TEMU application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right. You will then see the option for country and region. Tap on that and go ahead and select United States option now. Once done, head back to the U page. You will see the option for earn credits and free gifts. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for Hat Trick gift. Tap on that and further tap on the Get Now option to see how many gifts you can win. You will then see the option for Pick below the gifts. You can simply tap on any of the gifts and pick up to 4 gifts from the bunch of options shown to you. Now tap on Confirm and follow the simple on-screen prompts further to claim your gift. So, this is how you can do Hat Trick TEMU Method. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.